So, ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa aking hostel. This is in Yes In. Yes In, which is Yau Ma Tei. Malapit lang siya sa Yau Ma Tei Station, MTR, which is very good kasi connecting. Madali lang yung madali lang yung transportation talaga sa Hong Kong. Like ako nagpaplano is on the day na hindi ko pinaplano from the time na aalis kasi flexible maybe that's one of the advantages if mag solo travel or just traveling alone kasi wala kang iisipin kundi sarili mo lang, and you can adjust your time by yourself when is the time you wake up, you want to go home or just have a rest. Right now it's like 3 p.m. pero yeah, naka-vlog ako ngayon dahil ako lang, wala yung mga kasamahan ko. Syempre, gala-gala din sila. Sa mga solo traveler din siguro sila, no? Kasi ito China.